How to change playback quality on Netflix. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Netflix application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Here, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen and select on the options of app settings. Now scroll down and you get to see the option of playback specification. Tap on playback specification and here you have the option of playback resolution. It's full HD and here we do not have any other option to change the playback quality. Now even when we go back to the videos over here, so if you tap on any of the shows, we get to see these different options over here. So you have 2025, 16 plus, 5 seasons and HD. But what is the exact resolution is something we are not able to see that. So even when you tap on resume or play, simply we have no option to change the quality or the resolution on the playback quality over here. So unfortunately, to change the playback quality on Netflix is not really possible. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.